Mom, what's so funny?
You want to know what is funny?
Yes.
That pathetic, undomesticated pretty face of a girlfriend.
What? Mom?
Meze, are you under a spell?
Mom, you are crossing the line.
Meze, you need to answer. You need to answer the question.
So this is what this is all about, right?
Yes, it is. She cannot cook nor clean.
That does not make her less of a woman. Or it's not even enough to make her the subject of ridicule.
Listen, Meze, I know you're desperate to take over your father's company, but she is not good for you. Oh! Yes, you heard me. She is not good for you.
This is not good. It's not good at all. It's not right.
What nonsense.
God.
Babe.
God.
Babe.
What is she talking about?
But it's not what you think, okay? Calm down, let me explain to you. Okay? Let me explain to you, please.
So I'm a means to an end.
Babe, come
I am a means to an end!
Stop this.
Yes! You're a means to a terrible end. That is who you are.
That woman, she listed all the ingredients for egusi soup. So I have my seasoning, I have onion, okay, everything is complete. It's just to put it together, and my food is ready. Okay, okay. Let me put this one. Oh my gosh. Since Eke that used to cook for me is not available to cook, I'll cook when she comes back. She will know that I know how to cook. doesn't hurt my fingers. When it's done, I'll remove all these things. Remove it. Anything that is not good when it's done. When Eki comes back, she'll be dazed that I made scrumptious meals. Okay, vegetable. And that woman said, make it crunch. I should take out the vegetables and just cut it. Eh? Why is it looking like this? In fact, I don't need to stress myself because I might mistakenly cut my fingers. Let me just cook it. When I cook it, everything will blend. They will come together, marinate. I'm not water. I'm sure. It's my easy always. 5 stars for that. Oh my god, why is this Egusi looking like Arena? This Egusi, respect yourself. Fact. Oh my gosh, I didn't buy oil. Okay, just let me go and buy oil first. Red oil.
Hello, Linus. Yeah. Man, can you imagine? I can't even access my money from that bank. Linus, please, I'll talk to you later, okay? I am going to that bank to let hell loose right now. It's not funny. It's not funny, man. I'll talk to you back. What's rubbish is this now? What rubbish? What rubbish?
Let me just get that one.
Oh, that's better. Alright. Oh, let's have this one here. Get the coleslaw.
Okay.
Thank you. I have to move this.
No, that's it.
Everything has to be perfect.
It will be, okay.
And get the bottle, alright?
Yes.
Okay. Let's get this cold. Alright.
The fruit.
Okay, the fruits. Get the pieces here.
We didn't mix.
There's a lot of apples. Hurry, yes. That's nice, thank you. Let me place it here. Oh, dishing the food.
Oh. No, don't worry. Everything is okay.
Everything has to be perfect.
They are. He will love them. Trust me. We did great.
I believe you do.
Thank you. Let me just go in and wash my hands, okay?
Hurry.
Man. Thank you, man. You're the man. You're the man. Let's go. Hey, Mom.
Look at you! Come here! Welcome back.
Mom, I missed you.
Coming from someone who has been in this country for the past 1 week without seeing his mother. Look at you!
How come?
What?
Linus.
But you know I can't lie.
That was supposed to be a secret.
But you know I can't lie to my favorite auntie. You know that.
Marie, stop it!
Wow.
Come here! Good to see you.
Hi. Hi, Lizzie.
Would you?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
That's not true. What am I seeing?
It's me.
Come here. Oh my God. Whoa! Would you? Is this you?
It's me.
Is this you?
Yes, that's me.
Oh my God. Would you?
What is it?
Damn.
Damn.
You're not.
No, it's not that way.
Oh, nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
What do you guys have here?
Oh, the food.
Oh my God.
It's okay, I understand. I understand.
Mom.
Stop your breathing.
I'm
I miss you, son. I miss you, man.
Okay, so.
No.
When?
Okay. Oh my God.
I know. Oh, welcome, son. I know you like it.
Very well. Oh my God.
Auntie, this meal is so delicious.
Thank you, Linus. But I'll not take the credit alone. All thanks to you here.
Uju, I just thought about an idea.
Okay.
Have you considered opening a restaurant?
Well, now you've said it, I'll put it into consideration.
Please do.
Thank you.
Please do.
If you do, I'm going to be your first customer.
I trust you.
That's fine.
I know. You
I'm
love
serious.
food.
Oh my God. This is good.
I remember when you two used to run around in the compound when you were little.
That's true. He always likes playing the hero, trying to save you from blindness. Linus was a troublemaker.
Just because Linus always look for trouble.
Exactly.
He's a bully.
Well, in my defense, every good story should have a bad guy.
And
So
you
that's
are the bad guy.
I know that. So you did it for the plot. Is that what you're trying to say now?
Exactly.
Please.
Liar.
Thank you.
That's not true.
Thank you. That's not true. Anybody want some more?
Is somebody feeling what I'm feeling?
How are you feeling?
I feel good.
Oh God. Imagine.
Let's stop.
Oh my God.
Enjoy your meal, okay?
You need more?
Bon appetit. So, Mom, after my master's, I've got to start working with one IT firm, a big top IT firm in Scotland.
That's so wonderful.
Yeah, and I've got to start working with the best guys there. And I also want to bring in new insight to our family business.
Oh, I love your enthusiasm.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. But you're forgetting something.
No, I don't think so. The lawyer said I can take over after my master's.
And after you get married.
Mom, can you just take that off me, please?
No, son. I can't wave that off. That is the condition. Finish your master's, get married, and take over the family business. It's as simple as that. Cheer up, okay? Getting a wife will not be difficult for my handsome son. No way. You know Uju just finished her MBA.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That's amazing. She has always been a formidable woman.
And I'm sure she will make a formidable wife too. Don't you think so?
It's okay.
Oh, cheers.
Okay, where are you?
I'm waiting outside. You shouldn't have told me you're here. I'm standing in the middle of the road waiting. That's not nice.
Hi.
Hi.
Do you remember me?
Have we met?
Yeah, the disgruntled customer at the bank the other day.
Oh, the angry bird.
You need a lift? I can drop you off.
No, you don't have to bother. I'm fine. I'd already called my taxi. He should be here in a few minutes' time.
See, I know you are angry with me. I am not a rude person, okay? I just got into town from Scotland and I needed to activate my local account. And at the reception there, they were just giving me stress. So I needed to shout to get their attention. So I'm not just like that. You just need to forgive me, please. I'm sorry.
As if you know I'm dazed to see you sound so gentle, so meek and courteous. I remember the day you came to the office, the way you were wailing, screaming, shouting at everybody. The most surprising part was when you came to me to complain. And I told you that, calm down, it will be sorted out. You refused to give me benefit of doubt.
You know, I needed to send money to one or two persons to settle some issues on ground, but they were just giving me stress. But it's okay now, okay? I am sorry.
But can I advise you?
What?
kindly learn how to manage your emotions, especially in public.
Sorry, I'm a very sweet guy. You should know me.
I don't know, but
Okay, I'll make you know me, okay? Okay, it's okay. We're fine now. Can I drop you off?
Nah, don't worry, I'm fine. I insist I'm okay.
That means you're still angry with me.
Now, why should I?
I need to drop you off. I just need to drop you off. If you don't mind, I really want to drop you off, okay? Please.
Well, thank you. I'll just have to call him and cancel.
I'm not a rude person, okay? I'm sorry for the other day. So I'm so sorry. Yeah. Purple looks good on you.
Yeah, that's the office color.
Is it like individually choose the color to use in the office or?
But you know my bank, this is our color, this is our official, one of our official colors. We do purple, black, white.
You wear it with suit all the time?
Depends on how I want to look. I can wear with skirt, I can wear just the shirt, it just depends on my mood and how I choose to appear.
Okay.
But weekends, we do Ankara.
Oh, nice. I thought Ankara is on Fridays or something.
That's weekend, that's Friday.
Oh, yeah. I was wondering if I can...
Yes, I have a boyfriend.
Oh, wow. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I actually wanted to tell you...
I can't give you my number. I'm sorry. I don't give out my number to strangers.
It's okay. I just wanted to say if I can get a new note, like mint.
Really?
Yeah, I actually want to use it for a friend's birthday, like weekend.
Well, there's a procedure to that, but I'll see how I can sort it out for you.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here for lunch?
No, I'm okay.
Yeah.
No. Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon. How are you, my darling?
I'm doing well.
I wasn't expecting you.
I know. I was just by the corner. I went to the market. Thought about you because it's close by, and I decided to get you these.
Oh, this is so thoughtful of you. Thank you.
Hi. How are you?
Good. Are you?
I'm doing great.
You look good.
You too. You don't look bad yourself. What's that?
Stop. Mize, get her something. Please sit down.
Thank you, ma.
Sure.
I know now, because you know what I want.
Change.
I did not change. I'm still me.
Flexible.
Cool.
Oh, Bo. You're really blossomly beautiful since the last time I saw you.
Thank you.
You've still got your sweet tongue.
Can say that again. So, how have you been?
I've been good. Very fine. All thanks to God.
Seriously, I need to know what's up with you. I need to know in details. What's up
Well,
with you, with your life and everything?
I literally soaked myself in work. Just been working. But sincerely, it's actually been very hard since my parents died in that accident. It's been very difficult for me to, navigate life and still be me.
I know, I know. I know what you must have passed through alone.
Yeah. But you see, right? Your mom, I have God and your mom to thank because she's been there for me. Her care, everything. She's just my backbone.
I understand. But I'm here now. Yeah. I can be your TV fibula. I can be your produce owner. Your backbone.
What are you
everything.
saying? Do you know the terms you're mentioning?
Yeah, no, I can be your phalanges.
Stop
Anyway,
it.
I'm here now, okay?
Thank you.
You look good.
I do.
Yeah.
You don't look bad yourself.
Your smiles have not changed.
Thank you. You
Yeah.
bring it out.
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too. You remember you used to feed me your drink when we're... you said you will be here for me now. You'll be my backbone, you'll be everything.
You want us to start from here?
Yes.
Eki, what's funny?
Baby girl, no, this is not funny. I've been at the restaurant for over 20 minutes. We agreed to meet here at a specific time. So what happened? Really? Please do and bring yourself here, Joe. No, don't even go there. Ever since I broke up with my boyfriend, you've been talking to me anyhow. It's not a crime to be single. Now single, I know by person. So be fast and come here. I'm waiting. Yes, I'm already in here. I've not ordered for our meal when you come. Because if I make order for it, it might get cold before you get here. I don't even know how many minutes you're away from me. I'm just having my nuts and my drink waiting for you. Alright. Bye. See you.
Okay, Mom. Do you want to order for something else?
Yes, but not immediately. I'm waiting for my girlfriend to get here. So when she gets here, we'll place order for our starter, main course, and dessert.
Okay, Mom. Alright.
Hi. How are you?
Mr. Mezier. Uchebu. What in God's name are you doing here? Are you stalking me?
No, come on, I can't stalk you. I traced you down here.
Why would you do that? You're the last person I expected to see here.
Fortunately, I'm here. So how are you doing?
Beautiful.
So, what are we taking? Actually, this is where I used to come and cool off. Nice place. Eat beautiful stuff and all that.
Same here. This is where I lounge whenever I want to get away from home, chill, eat something delicious. I love the place and it's private too. I get why you love it. abroad, all this I just got back, guys. They like it quiet, cozy, and of course classy.
You're looking gorgeous.
Thank you.
So what are we taking? Because I know you can't be taking this.
Who are the we?
You and I.
I'm having what I want to have.
Let's do red wine. Brandy.
No.
We are doing red wine.
Who are the we?
You and I. We. Okay?
Don't get me involved.
Waiter. So, please come.
Yes, sir. Good day, sir. Welcome to Ken's Lounge.
Thank you. Let me see. What do you have here?
We have red wine, champagne, small chops, big chops.
Let me see.
Yes, sir.
Any protein?
Yes, we have chicken, we have turkey.
You make your choice.
Mr. Mezio Chibu, thank you. I can't. I already told you I'll place order for my main course meal when my friend comes, right? Attend to your guest.
I'm your friend now. I'm here now. So, we're changing it. Make your choice.
Why are you being persistent?
Make your choice. I'm replacing that person. Go on.
Okay. Well, I'd like to have spaghetti bolognese, grilled salmon fish. I want it very peppery. I want it tasty too, and spicy. So I think that's all for now. That's all for now. That's all for now.
Alright, man.
Okay, let me have it. Okay, get me same.
I don't understand. I don't get it. Same what?
Linus, I want to ask you something.
Okay, go ahead. Ask me anything, man.
I need you to do something for me.
Anything, just ask me. You know I'll do anything for you.
You know Bezie needs to find a wife to assess his father's company.
Mm-hmm.
And you also know that Ujuma is a very beautiful woman and single as well.
Wow. Now I know where this is heading to.
Listen, I want my son to marry a good woman. And I want that woman to be Uju.
Mom, he will. Bezie is old enough to take the right decision.
I know, but just chip in a good word for her. That's all I need.
I'll wait, Mom, okay? Just cheer up, okay? Please.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Are you better, Mom?
Of course. So tell me, how far with the contract you discussed last time with me?
I'm still working on it.
Hello?
Hello, yeah. I am fine, but not really because I'm so bored here. I don't know what you guys do to catch fun here in Nigeria sometimes.
Well, we do a lot. You can go for a block party or you can also go to the beach.
Unfortunately, I'm not a fan of going to the beach or going to the club for loud music. I'm not a fan of it.
How about the cinemas?
Okay, that sounds interesting. Okay.
Yeah, it is. And there are so many new films in the cinemas. You will love it.
Oh, that's nice. Then we'll go together to see it. What do you think?
Are you inviting me over? Are you asking me out on a date?
Yes, I am.
Well, I'll give it a thought.
Okay, let me know when you decide.
Well, it's okay. I'll see to it. I'll think about it. I'll see if work will permit me.
Okay, bye.
All right, bye. Why are you staring at me like that?
I thought you broke up with your boyfriend.
I never said we're back together.
So who was that?
A friend. A friend.
You're already in a new relationship.
No, it's just a friendship.
Situationship, you mean?
Friendship.
I know. You wouldn't be smiling like that over just a friendship.
I don't know what you're talking about.
How would you know? How would you know?
So he said he wanted us to go see film together. And I asked, are you asking me out on a date? He said, yes.
Can say someone is in love.
I'm not.
Mom.
Yes, sir.
I can perceive some good aroma. What's cooking?
You can thank Uji for that.
Oh. So, what are you making?
We're making your favorite pounded yam and onubu soup.
Oh my God. You actually know a way to a man's heart.
Of course.
Nice. Okay.
It seems you're going out.
Yes, I'm going to see a movie.
If you had mentioned that earlier, Uju would have joined you.
No, it's okay. I mean, we can actually go some other time.
Yeah, some other time. Yeah. Okay, let me start going, Mom. Okay.
Don't be late, okay?
Okay, Mom.
All right.
Take care of yourself.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Let's go.
Okay, Mom.
This is so me. I loved every bit of it. I love seeing movies.
I really enjoyed myself. Every part of it.
Same here. The film was very, very funny and scary, but I love it.
I actually enjoyed it because I had a good company.
There's this arts gallery show that is coming up next weekend. Are you game?
Another appointment. I'm beginning to feel that you like me.
Don't get over yourself. Do not get ahead of
You
yourself.
like me.
Take me back home, please. Let's go, let's go.
Woo! Someone likes me. Woo! Woo!
Exaggeration.
Come on, let's go. Okay.
My goodness. It's late already.
Busy is not back yet. Hold on. You just sent me a text.
Okay.
He said he's in traffic.
I have to go.
Okay. Please don't beat yourself up, okay?
Lolo, it's as if everything I do is not okay, like my efforts are futile.
Please don't say that. He only needs a little push, that's all.
Lolo, I don't want to come off as a desperate person.
And who is seeing you as desperate? Let me tell you. Men are oblivious of these things. You're a wonderful woman. So lovely. You will make a good wife and a good daughter-in-law. Come here. It's okay. Just relax, okay?
Okay.
I am solidly behind you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I should wait a while.
Okay.
I will.
Thank you.
Yes, but I'm trying to send a mail to one of my clients. Mm. Something interesting entered my phone.
What is that, baby girl?
Okay, let me read. Okay.
What is it? Why are you smiling like that?
It's Mezie.
The guy you went on a date with?
Yes, we've been on 5 dates. Not on a date. 5? Yes, he's an amazing guy. Good looking, soft spoken, humble, handsome, and fun to be with.
I can see someone is in love already.
I can see that too.
So I guess it's the credit alert that you're smiling over.
It's not. Mezie sent a sweet, romantic morning greetings.
What's that? A text message. That's why you're smiling like this.
What do you mean?
I mean, he should be sending you designers bags or even planning a trip with you. What's that? Text message.
Listen, money is not everything, my friend.
Who said so? Money is the glue that binds relationship together.
No. Chemistry brings two people together. Friendship makes them vulnerable. And love binds them together. Do you understand? Money is secondary.
My dear, that is fiction. I'm talking of reality here. What are you saying?
The reality is that I'm working. I'm not handicapped. And I have my own money.
Why do I even have this feeling that this guy is here to use you?
No problem. Let him use me. I'm available to be used.
Hey, my dear.
Permit me to leave for work, name.
You are finished.
Yes, I am, no doubt.
You're finished, girl.
You see, you will not make heaven. See you.
Have a nice day.
Wow.
Hey, dude.
Yeah.
What's making you wow? Who is she?
Onye. She's a banker.
Onny.
Yeah.
Why is your banker sending you selfies in the middle of the day?
She's not just my banker, she's a friend also.
Bad guy.
Don't get it twisted. Don't just get it twisted.
Hold on. Are you sure you're not screwing this girl?
Hey, boundaries. Boundaries, guy. Onye is a breath of fresh air. She's an amazing woman.
What about Uju?
What about her?
You know your mother wants you to marry Uju, right? Please don't smile.
I suspected that. Yeah, I suspected that. Yeah.
Well,
let's see how it goes. Oh boy, let's go and watch football.
you're trying to cause me.
Hey. Let's go.
Okay.
Are you okay?
I've been trying to say no to vendors, but I just can't.
Vendors?
Yes, the interior decorator, the baker, and my stylist too.
Mommy really planning this birthday big.
Mezie, I am turning 60. He doesn't come every day. I should celebrate life. Right?
That's right. Okay, let me get the vendor's account number so I can make the payment.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Even as that, I still need to go to the bank to sort out my bank issues. Very important. Because I can't stay without cash flow. You know that already.
Which bank?
Express Bank.
Okay, I know someone who can help you sort things out there.
So fast. Come on, you just came back. And you've known people already.
I'm a G.
I know you are. That's my son.
Okay, call it out.
Alright, 02.
Go. Thanks for helping my mom to go to the bank.
It's nothing. That was just me doing my job.
Yeah, you did your job very well because she's been singing your praises.
Really?
Yeah.
And I can really see how excited she was talking about her birthday.
You know what? That's all she talks about these days.
I understand. It's really exciting turning to 60. That's a milestone. Her feelings are valid.
And the way she's planning it, I mean, I think you should come. Yeah.
Really?
It's high time I let the whole world know that I have an amazing and a beautiful girlfriend. What do you think? Hey.
I don't know. I'm indifferent.
Come here.
Are you sure it's the right time?
Think you need to. When you.
Wow. I think we're all ready for the big day.
Yes.
Wow! This is so beautiful. Would you?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Oh, Andrew, you're here.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. This is beautiful.
Right?
I like it.
Thank you. Linus did most of the thoughtful decorations.
Mommy, it's your big sister now.
This is who you are.
Yes.
Thank
should
you
celebrate.
so very much. Meze is not here yet.
I think let's just give him little time. You know, he'll be here. Just make yourself
Mommy, just make yourself home. It's your day, don't stress.
Cold water.
I'm fine.
Okay.
It's my day, so anything goes.
Okay.
Let me get you water.
Thank you. All right.
Hi, everyone.
Oh, Meze. You're here.
Mom.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, son.
Happy birthday, Ma.
Thank you.
Honey,
Yes.
meet my mom.
Well, happy birthday to you, Ma. This is for you.
Oh, thank you, darling. Thank you so very much.
And meet Uju, my childhood friend.
Hi, Uju. Nice to meet you.
Did you meet Onny?
My pleasure.
Your face looks familiar.
Yes, I'm the lady that helped you out at the bank the other day.
Oh, I remember now.
I'm a banker.
Thank you.
It's nothing.
Meze,
Mom?
thanks for bringing her here.
Nice to meet you, Ma. I'm wishing you a healthy, memorable, prosperous new age. May God continue to preserve you
Amen.
and bless you.
Amen. Thank you so very much. Thank you.
Mom, she's not just my friend. She is my girlfriend.
Yeah.
Uju, are you okay?
Oh yes, I'm fine. I'm alright.
She's cool.
Okay.
Okay. I think we should just get down to business, okay? Enough of the introduction and everything.
Yes, enough.
Please, forgive my manners. Just sit.
I think we should sing one the happy birthday song, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'll do that. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
How over you now? How over you now? How over you now? How old are you now?
We wish you long life.
No, let her say it. Let her say it.
Say it.
Mommy needs to answer.
Say it.
I am 60 today.
Many more years to you. Many more years to you. Many more years. Many more years. Many more years to you. She's a jolly good fellow. She's a jolly good fellow. She's a jolly good fellow. Okay, pop on the one, right?
No,
she has
no, hold on. She would cut the cake.
yes.
Mommy, please.
Okay, so at the mention of Jesus,
Linus, I thought you were doing the introduction
You
here.
can actually do
No,
it.
you do it. It's family.
Okay, it's fine.
All right.
So at the mention of Jesus,
Jesus.
yes.
we're going to cut this cake.
Yes.
Okay.
So let's go.
J E S U S.
Happy birthday to you, mommy.
son.
Happy
Thank you.
birthday. I wish you the best as you add on to your age. God bless you.
Okay, so where are the glasses?
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Let's do this. Okay.
Happy birthday. Thank you, Linus. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you.
Okay. No?
Okay.
Thank you.
Wow. That was a great party.
Yeah. Thanks for coming.
Thank you for inviting me.
Yeah, you know, my mom has a way of planning a big event.
That's a great one. And you have a wonderful family.
That family will be awesome when we have you in it. Yeah.
I have to go now.
Do you really have to go?
Yes, my ride is here. I gotta go.
It's okay. Then let me drop you off.
You don't have to. With all that guests in there, nah, I wouldn't let you do that. Don't worry. I got me.
Are you okay?
Very.
Take care of yourself.
Take care.
Take care of you.
Hey.
But with you I know, but you I truly belong. Obstacle may come and go, but with you I know, with you I truly belong. They don't even understand it.
Lolo, after everything, he shows up with somebody else.
Just calm down, please.
How will I calm down? How do you expect me to calm down? Please tell me, how do you expect me to calm down? You said I should put in more effort than I did. Everything in me, I put in. But he was blinded, obviously blinded by somebody else.
Don't talk like that. Please. I know my son. And I know that you're the only woman good for him.
No, Lolo, obviously he doesn't feel the same way. Don't patronize me, please.
Trust me. You know what I can do, right? I'll do something about it. Come here.
No, I'm so heartbroken.
Don't be. That's what I'm here. Listen, he has made his mistakes, right? I will remedy it. I promise you.
Okay, but he was not supposed to introduce her in front of me, knowing that I'm their wife-saying girlfriend. He would have just taken you inside the room and told you whatever he wanted to do.
Okay, my baby girl. Amalicham. Trust me. Not under my watch. I'll take care of everything, I promise you. You're good for my son. It's you I want as a daughter-in-law. Don't be scared. Okay. Mommy is here, okay? Are you happy for me?
Yes.
Today is my birthday. 60th birthday.
It's true.
Now wipe your tears. And smile for mama. Smile for mama. That's my girl. Come here.
Thank you, Ma.
When you crossed my path, I knew that you were the one for me. Across the distance and the oceans between us, you're the one for me.
Is it this lineup I'm seeing here? It's obvious you guys will walk alone this evening.
See who you're talking in your dreams. Calm down. See your lineup now. See your team. They're not even strong. They're not even strong at all. And you're just talking.
Just be watching the way your club will fail you. Remember those days I want people to promise us money and they will end up not sending us the money. That's what's going to happen.
Let's watch and see.
Just watch.
Yes! Hey!
What's this now?
Football.
This is a clear off now. What's this?
It's a
This is a foul ball.
A chicken ball. Not only foul.
This ref has been bribed now. No, now. What
Calm
is this?
down. We're winning.
I beg, I'm not watching this
Cheers.
match anymore. Cheers to what?
Come on, cheers.
Please, I beg. What am I cheersing to?
I told you.
That was a clear foul ball, and he ignored it.
I told you.
Please, leave this football, please.
I can't leave it though.
Please, let's talk about something else. How did you go with Onny last night?
Okay, I think my mom lost her.
Mom loves her. What about Uju?
She seems gloomy at the end of the party.
It's obvious now. It's not very obvious. You're all over Onny now. It's obvious.
Uju is my favorite person, and she knows that.
This boy, you're confusing me. Uju is a right person. Then who is Onny now?
Onye might be the one.
Please, let me just eat my biscuits. I'm tired of you.
Wait and see another one.
I'm going to keep on, don't worry.
Yeah, calm down. Watch. What will happen now? Oh, God.
I tell you now. You know the keeper will do that.
Calm down. Just watch. We'll deal with two people. Hey, another one!
Don't go bribe now.
Take 3.
Take waiting.
Hey! If not bribe, this bribe is sweet, you know?
Sweet added.
Hello, Uju. How are you? Just checking up on you. Not seen you since Mom's birthday. I hope all is well. Okay. I was thinking you would stop by. I have something to tell you. Hello? Hey, Mom.
How are you, son?
I'm fine.
Have you had dinner?
Oh, yes. Yes.
Okay, that's good. There's something I want to discuss with you.
Okay, Mom. I hope all is well.
Of course.
Okay.
I was just hoping we could invite Onny over for the weekend. You're surprised, right?
Yes. Yes, I am. Yeah.
Of course. I just thought it would be nice to know this woman who has mesmerized my son.
Yeah, Mom, you're right. It would be nice, actually. Yeah. Yeah.
Maisie, I hope you know that I want the best for you.
I know. And I appreciate.
Thank you, son. All right. It's okay. You You mean you don't want anything like, a glass of juice?
No, Mom, I'm fine. I'm good.
That's fine.
Mom,
Yes.
thank you so much.
It's fine. I love you.
Love you, Mom.
I can't believe you agreed to do this.
But it's just a harmless visit.
This is a bad idea.
Why would you say that? You just want me to meet the mother. The mother wants me to stay with her for a while so she can know me better.
You're going to be there for the whole weekend.
That's just 2 days. It's not that serious.
Even at that, I don't feel okay with it. What if the mother doesn't like you?
Stop. Why are you being pessimistic?
If me being the voice of reason means me being pessimistic, then I would be. What is it? You're my friend. That's why I'm speaking to you.
Bestie, calm down. Relax. You see this thing? It will go well. I expected you to wish me well, not all those negative thoughts and talk and all of that. You should wish me well.
Why is this head strong?
Wish me well.
Okay, I wish you well.
Now you're communicating enough of all those negative talk and thoughts and all of that. See, I have this under control. Bet me, it's going to go smoothly.
I pray so, my friend.
I can't wait.
To be his wife, right?
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't understand, but when it happens eventually, you are definitely going to be the chief bridesmaid.
Of course.
See that position? They know they drag her with my
Who
best.
else? If I said anybody, I would drag the
you're
person.
my best friend. I don't have to know that person. I'd already packed my things, so baby girl is ready.
So fast?
Yes, so good.
This girl.
What software? Because
Don't worry, your laptop is charged and you will see it when we get there. Should I get the door?
hold on, let me get it. Hold on. Hi.
Hello. Hi, Uju. How are you? Very well.
Where's mommy?
She's in the kitchen.
Okay, I'll just go see her. Mommy?
Yes. So which